Did you start it again?
Yeah.
Right. So, my son and I are going to do a little repair on the diverter valve on his shower. We just worked on the one downstairs that had completely failed. And what we found was that the gate that's underneath, that a lot of people have made YouTube videos for showing how to replace those, wasn't damaged at all. Nothing was wrong with it. So what we're going to do, and what we did downstairs, is I took off the gate and I took out the pull. There's several other YouTube videos that show that in great detail, so I'm not going to worry about showing you that. I'm going to take that off. As long as they're not damaged, which I don't think it's going to be, I'm going to come in and I'm going to assume that I'm going to find corrosion on the inside wall where there's going to be a white gate and there's going to be a black valve. And those two need to make a seal up against a metal wall that's inside the faucet. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a couple different files. I'm going to try to file that smooth and flat. And if all works well, we'll put it on YouTube because it should be working a lot better. So, yeah, wish us luck. Okay, so yeah, just kind of as I expected. Not really any damage to this. It all seems fine.
Looks better than the last.
Yeah, it looks even cleaner than the last one. There's a little bit of
build up in there.
Thank you, son. Exactly, a little bit of buildup in there. Would you mind grabbing some like toilet paper and just wiping that out?
Yeah.
Thank you. So I'm gonna come in and just file this surface smooth. Yeah, not as bad as the one downstairs, which isn't that surprising since this one still was functioning, just not functioning as well as it should be.
And this one was being used more often.
What's that?
This one was probably being used more often, so maybe it got a less chance of getting built up.
Well, I think that's a decent hypothesis. A lot of this corrosion or this buildup is actually through because there's some minerals in our water.
Calcium and zinc.
Yeah. Well, my zinc comment earlier was that I was kind of thinking that there might be some zinc in this metal, and that the corrosion was reacting with the zinc and kind of making it expand, and so there's plenty of corrosion or plenty of buildup. Excuse me, that's the actual word. Plenty of buildup, but that some of that was also this buildup of that corrosion or that reaction with the zinc or with what I assume is some zinc in these fixtures. Okay, so I want that to. I'm trying my very best not to create any grooves, because that would defeat the purpose. I'm trying to keep this as smooth and flat as possible. So I think that's looking better. So let's see. Small amount of work, but hopefully a big amount of results. So that fits on like that. I might have, there we go. Pops back on. Okay. Let's see.
Okay. We're gonna see if this works.
Okay. So. What do you think, son? Is that better than it
Yeah,
was
that's
before?
better than it was before. It worked.
Yeah. Hey.
It worked. It worked.
Yay. Bye.
Yay.
Hopefully that helped. Hopefully, if you watch this, hopefully it'll save you some money. And just remember that you want to have those files as flat as possible because you want to create a smooth surface, not a gouged surface. So good luck.
Good luck.